Hello, fellow traders. Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel designed to help you succeed in the markets. Today is Tuesday, the 12th of March. As usual, guys, we're going to start with yesterday's trades. If you stay till the end of the vid, I'm also going to give you my trade ideas for today and the important news for today as well. So let's get started. So let's start with yesterday and the trade that I actually took, guys. All right. And it was Swiss franc, Japanese yen, and we were selling it. So why were we selling it? Well, we just, ended up in this range between these two levels. Yeah, it didn't move for days on end. Okay. And then we eventually got a break. Okay. But it was only this candle here that I was interested in getting in once it broke. Because it's very bearish, basically. Again, not rocket science. Yeah? It's the super bearish candle. And the idea was just to take it a little bit further. I wasn't interested in this candle, the one before it, because of this huge wick. Yeah, so I wasn't interested in that or this one. That didn't actually break this level. But like I say, guys, this big bearish candle, that did break, even broke the low of this candle. And it just said to me we had a little bit more room to go into. And that's all I did, was just try and take some profits into there. If we drop down to the H1, because this was my entry time frame, and all I was doing was following H1 structure, guys. Okay, so H1 was coming down. Yeah, we was in this H1 downtrend, and we got a reaction here. Okay, it's not a super bearish candle, but just look at these wicks. Yeah, they are rejecting this level, and there's a bit of a level through here as well. And it's rejecting the moving average 20. Okay. H4, and you have to understand at this point, guys, everything's in a downtrend. Daily's in a downtrend. If H4's in a downtrend, H1 is in a downtrend. And the idea was just to enter here, put my stop above here, and then I just took it back down to these lows where I took some profit. And I got 1:1 and I closed 80%. Now, imagine if you didn't take profit. Yeah, right now you would be not very happy. Yeah, because you'll be stopped out of your trade. Okay. But, why didn't you take profit? Because I know my higher time frame target was here in this psychological level, but, that's what I want. But the market is telling me this is the level to get out at, right? It touches it once. Okay. This is where I actually, took profit. Let's imagine I didn't. Yeah. Comes up, comes down again. Yeah. This level's still holding, comes down again. Yeah. It even gives you one more opportunity to take some profit. And at this point, if you don't take profit, then you are not listening to the market. Yeah. The market this level is holding. It's not breaking. Yeah, buyers keep rejecting that level. And then look what eventually happens. Look where we are this morning. All right, so take profit, trade what you see, not what you want. All right, but good trade. And as with all my trades, guys, I put them all in the VIP Trading Academy as part of the Discord. So check it out. And that was the only trade that I took yesterday. We did look at some other pairs, though. So let's quickly look at them. So pound Swiss franc. Yeah, we were looking to buy this. So this was the day chart. Yeah, and as you can see, we're clearly in an uptrend. Okay, and we had this very nice bullish candle. All right, which broke all of these highs in here. Okay, so we were just trying to continue this bullish momentum. If I zoom out a little bit, you can see my target up there. But this one, guys, it just broke down. And structure didn't build up again. So, as you know by now, guys, I either want to be with trend, okay, and as you can see, H1 broke down. All right, so we would not be with trend. Okay, this is a H1 downtrend. And yeah, after it broke down, it didn't break back up. We didn't get anything that sort of built back up to let us get back into this trade. So no trade with pound Swiss franc. Price just kept breaking down. What else do we look at? Yeah, the Canadian dollar pairs. And it was the same with these as well, guys. All right, so if we start with the day chart. All right, so we're clearly in an uptrend. All right. We had a nice bullish candle that broke out of this resistance level here. All right. It broke the high of this candle. And the idea again was just to continue with this bullish momentum. This will still be a trade idea for today. If we drop down to the H1, it was just a case of price broke down. Yeah, simple as that. So we didn't have a trade. We were here, and then price broke down, and just kept breaking down. And now it's sort of at a point where it's not too sure what to do with itself. So if we get a break of these highs, this could still be an interesting trade, Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar buy. But yesterday just didn't give us an opportunity. No setup, no trade. Simple as that. And it was the same with New Zealand CAD. Yeah, so this was another one we were looking at. If we look at the day chart, yeah, so uptrend. Yeah, nicely in an uptrend. Nice bullish candle that suggested we could still take price back up to these last highs. And we still, I still be interested in this trade idea. Okay. Yeah, I mean, because look at this candle. This is not bearish. This, buyers are still in control for me. This is not a seller's taking control, so I'm still interested in buyers with New Zealand CAD. Again, if we drop down with the H1 chart, I'm showing you the H1 charts because this is where structure broke down. So right at this point, all right, we had structure breaking down. We had lower lows, lower highs, right? And then as the day went on, this gray zone here formed. So you don't know this gray zone's here until the day plays out. And then it plays out and it tells us that this is an important level. And you can see this level still holding. We got a rejection. All right. So, we never got a build up in structure to start buying. But again, guys, I'll be looking for something as simple as structure breaks again. So let's say price does this and we get a break, something like this, and then we'll be looking for buys. All right. So yeah, those were the trades from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy receiving my analysis and my trade ideas every single day, then please come join the channel. We'd love to have you. So please subscribe to the channel right now. Also smash the notification button. And if you could also smash the like button right now as well, guys, really helps support the channel, keeps the editor happy, and he is slightly crazy. Right, so trades for Tuesday, the 12th of March, guys. Before we get started, let me just mention a few things. So first of all, if you haven't joined our trading community, then why not? We've got traders in there sharing knowledge, ideas, experiences. Yeah, come join the free Discord channel. As part of that channel, we also have a VIP trading academy now, and we're doing a great promotion with our partnership broker. And you can get free access to the VIP trading academy, which gives you my trade ideas, access to me, and loads of tutorials, plus much, much more. We also offer a mentorship program. If you would like to be coached one-on-one, drop us an email and we'll send you the details. And finally, guys, if you would like to show your support for the channel, then you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member, and there's loads of perks for doing so. Also, guys, don't forget live stream today at 8 a.m. New York EST time. All right. That's 8 a.m., not 7 a.m. 8 a.m. New York EST time. Get your questions ready. Right, trades. First one, Aussie dollar, Swiss franc. We're looking to buy this pair. So why are we looking to buy it? Well, price is in an uptrend. All right, we're getting, higher highs, higher lows. All right, so we're in an uptrend. Price, you can see my target up here, guys, because I'm going to zoom in now. And you can see my, you can see yesterday this area of, what was once resistance becomes good support. This is such a common and good, reliable setup in the market. All right. And we had a bit of a, not a super bullish candle, but we had a nice bullish wick bounce off that level, which, tells us we could potentially come higher. All right. So structurally, it's good. support and resistance wise, it's good. Candlestick, it's good. Do we have value? It's good. All right, so lots of things to like. If we drop down to the H1, all I'm waiting for is a break in H1 structure. Now, this is that daily level where price has bounced off of. Okay, it could come back down here and we get another bullish reaction. All right, but really what I want to see is this. You can see this level through here. Yeah, where price has been bouncing off it for, a few days. I just want to see price break through here with a nice bullish candle. It confirms a H1 uptrend. Yeah, and then all I'm going to do, guys, is first of all take price to here, take some profit, and then let some profit run. All right, so Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, we're looking for buys. I also like Euro Swiss franc. Okay, so if we look at the day chart, again, we're in an uptrend. Okay, yeah, price has retraced. We've had some nice, bullish wicks here. Okay, and then, all I'm looking to do is follow this, this trend, these wicks back up to this level here. All right, and again, if we drop down to the H1, I'm just looking for structure breaks. I mean, or H4. This would be a H4 structure break as well, just this level through here. Yeah. Let me show you on the H1 so it's a little bit more clearer. You can see price reacting at this level many times. Okay. And it just so happens that if we get a break of this level, a nice big bullish candle, let's say something like this, then we've also had a break in H1 structure. All right. So once we see that, again, I'll enter here, perhaps put my stop below here or even here, and then look to take price back up to these highs, first of all, and then leave some profit to run. All right. So there's, Aussie dollar, Swiss franc, Euro Swiss franc. And my last trade idea for today is Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar buys. I was also looking at New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar buys, but I just prefer Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. But you could potentially also trade New Zealand CAD as well. Why do we like it? Well, again, not much has changed from yesterday. All right, we're in an uptrend. All right, check. We've broken through this important resistance level in here. Okay. If I zoom in, we've had a little bit of a retrace to this grey zone. All right. We haven't had a massive reaction as yet. So all I'm waiting for on the lower time frames is a structure break to tell us to start entering. All right. And we can take it back up to this blue line. So if I show you that, if we look at the H4, yeah. So you can just see how price just contracted yesterday. Yeah. Look at that. Price has literally gone nowhere. Okay, so I'm just looking for a breakout of this box, and then we can continue with this uptrend. If we get a break down, to the downside of this box, not interested. And if I show you this on the H1, it would also mean, a H1 structure break. You can see this level through here is really important. Yeah, if we get a nice big bullish candle, again, start buying, take price back up to these highs here, take some profit, leave some profit to run. All right, guys. So, yeah, those are my trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news now. So, news for Tuesday, the 12th of March is a pretty busy news day, really, guys. So, overnight, nothing of real importance. But at 7 o'clock, London GMT, these are all London GMT times. We've got UK employment data. So, it says 2-star, 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 but altogether, this is like a 3-star rating, guys. So all this employment data must be aware of if you're in any pound pair. Yeah, and the unemployment rate, very important. At the same time, guys, we've also got German CPI. We all know how important CPI is and inflation. So again, a 3-star rating. Yeah, both of these. So they could move any euro pair. After that, guys, if you're interested, if you trade oil, you've got the OPEC monthly report. I think this is wrong. It will be one or the other, 11 or 12, if you trade oil, guys. Must be aware of that. And at 12:30, coming out of the US, we got some really big news as well. So more CPI data coming out of the US, and obviously this can move any US dollar pair. After that, at 5 o'clock, we've got the 10-year note auction as well. So another 3-star rating. So like I say, guys, pretty busy news day. Must tread carefully. Guys, don't forget to join me for the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. Get your questions ready for me. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you later.